The sword stitch is a pretty little stitch that, of course, resembles a sword. Imagine an inverted triangle. Come out from the top corner of the triangle to go in through the bottom corner. Now come out from the other top corner and go under the stitch from down or from the bottom. This is important to take the needle from the bottom of the stitch. Now lead the needle to the north. This causes the stitch to bend and create the guard of the sword. Now take the needle through the fabric at a certain distance. Looks like a sword or an inverted cross. Let's do that again. It's a fun stitch to do, pretty meditative actually. So use the stitch to make textures and patterns over the fabric. What would you use the stitch for? Share your imagination and ideas in the comments below. I hope you like this stitch. Thank you for watching.